Hey guys, I'm Instructor Phillipson and I wanted to introduce myself to you. Here you'll see my family. This is me with my husband at a special event we attended a couple of years ago, and our dog Gage, who we rescued about 5 years ago. I've lived in a lot of places, so I count them if I've lived there at least 30 days. I was born and raised primarily in California. I currently live in Texas. I spent about a month living in Idaho near the border of Wyoming. I completed grad school in New York, and I actually had the opportunity to live for a short time on the island of Antigua, which is part of the country of Antigua and Barbuda. I have a lot of hobbies and interests, but I really enjoy reading and traveling. I really enjoy fitness and working out, and I also, of course, really enjoy teaching. Although it is my job, I actually really enjoy it, and for me, it's more of a hobby and special interest above all else. A few fun facts. I've worked in both online education and healthcare for over a decade. I have a personal goal of visiting all 7 continents. Unfortunately, I've only been able to hit 3 so far, but hopefully that will be changing shortly. My underlying passion really is helping others. So I do this in a lot of ways. My favorite way to do it is through teaching. I like to help students reach their goals and to prepare them for the future. I volunteer through quite a few different organizations, and I also provide fitness coaching for my friends and family just to help them be as healthy and strong as they can. From where I live, my closest relative is 440 miles away, although I do have a relative moving to Abu Dhabi in just a short time from now. I avoid the word never, since every time I do, I end up doing what I said I would never do. So I said I would never live in the snow, and about a year later I ended up moving to Ithaca, New York. I said I would never ever live in the desert, and 30 days later I took my first professional job in Palm Desert, California. So I don't do that anymore. I just look forward to what life has to bring. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to getting to know you.